I've been asked this question. How would we answer it? Consider a monopolist facing a demand curve given by Q equals 30 minus 0.5p, where P is the market price and Q is the quantity sold. The monopolist's marginal costs are MC equals 2Q. There are no other costs. What would be the output if the industry were competitive? A slightly sneaky question, because obviously it's not a competitive industry, it's a monopoly. Anyway, we'll get to that. Before we go any further, we need to fix up this equation here, because it's not quite in the form we want. We want a linear equation which says y equals a minus bx, where y, the vertical intercept variable, is price, and the horizontal intercept variable, the x variable, is q. As we can see here, this equation is the wrong way round, so to speak. We want to isolate the p, not the q. So let's do that before we do anything else. Okay, we're going to isolate the P, the letter P that is. Now that's the guy we want. Yay. Alright, now we're ready to answer the question. So we're going to need this guy, and we also want the marginal cost equals 2Q equation as well. I'm going to avoid confusion, or maybe create more confusion, I'm not going to use MC, I'm going to use M prime, indicating marginal cost. So we've got our two equations here. A demand equation, now what we want to do is find what would the output be if this were a perfectly competitive industry, even though it's obviously not, it's a monopoly. What it really means is, what would be the allocatively efficient output? Why? Because we would assume under a variety of special conditions that in a perfectly competitive market, the output will be an allocatively efficient one. So that's what we're looking for. It's an output where the price equals the marginal cost. That is, the value of the last unit consumed equals the cost of that last unit. That is an allocatively efficient output. So all we really need to do is to find where this equals this. And then we just find the output, because that output is going to be the allocatively efficient output. Zippity-doo-dah, there's our answer. The allocatively efficient output is 15 units. That's the output that would obtain